In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your savings and savings rate in Google Sheets. Let's start by opening Google Sheets on your desktop and creating a new blank spreadsheet. In the very first row, we'll set up clear labels so your sheet stays organized and easy to read. Click cell A1 and type date. In B1, type income. In C1, type expenses. These headers will help you keep each month's details in the right place. For date, feel free to use the first day of each month or any date that makes sense for your records. Just be consistent so sorting and reviewing stays simple. Next, we'll calculate how much you save each month. Click cell D1 and label it Savings. In cell D2, enter the formula equals B2C2. This subtracts your expenses from your income for that row. If your expenses happen to be higher than your income, you might see a negative number. That's a helpful signal that you overspent that month. Now let's show what portion of your income you're saving. Click E1 and type savings rate. In E2, enter the formula each D2B2. This divides your savings by your income to get a savings rate. By default, this shows as a decimal. To make it easier to read, select the entire column, E, right-click, and choose Format as Percentage. That will turn something like 0.25 into 25%, which is much clearer. If you see an error before you've entered your income, don't worry. That will resolve as soon as you add the numbers. With the structure ready, you can start entering your monthly data. In column A, type the month's date. In column B, enter your income for that month. In column C, enter your total expenses for that month. Once D2 and E2 have the formulas, copy them down to match your data so that each new row automatically calculates savings and savings rate. The quickest way is to select D2 and E2 and drag the small blue square in the bottom right corner down through the rows you plan to use. The formulas will adjust for each line, so D3 will use B3 and C3, D4 will use B4 and C4, and so on. That's it. You now have a simple, effective tracker for your savings and savings rate. Keep adding a new row each month and review your results to see trends over time. Consistent, accurate entries will give you the clearest picture of your financial progress.